how you can easily sign up for Roblox. Now, this is your home page or your login page on Roblox. If you already have an account, that's great. You can just tap on login and log in with your account's credentials. And after that, you will be able to log into your account. To create a new one, just tap on sign up. You will have to select your birthday first. And once you do that, just confirm your birthday. And after that, you can enter your username. It's clearly saying that don't use your real name because there might be a problem for data leakage or people might find out your real name. So here are a few conditions for your username. It can only contain letters, numbers, and underscore, and is between 3 and 20 character long, so you cannot write up a super long username, and it has to be unique. So let's just enter our name. Once you enter your name, as you can see, it checks out on all of the boxes, so that's all right. Then you can create a password. I suggest you create a strong password using numbers and letters. So as you can see, we've also checked out all of the boxes for our password. It has at least 8 characters, does not match the username, and is not a simple password. Now, second option, last option is for gender. Choose your gender and tap on sign up. Once you do this, you will be logged into your account and you can start playing games from here. And that's how you can easily sign up for a Roblox.